Welcome to Travelscope. I bet you didn't know how magical a rainy day in Switzerland can be. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. A gentle rain begins to fall, draping the town in a misty veil, washing away the mundane and revealing a magical, serene atmosphere. The sky transforms into a canvas of soft grays, creating a sense of intimacy and peace. As the rain whispers upon cobblestone streets, it invites you to slow down, to savor the moment. The usual bustle of daily life seems to soften, replaced by a tranquil rhythm dictated by the falling raindrops. This is Switzerland in a new light, a place where tranquility reigns supreme, offering a unique perspective on its captivating beauty. The rain-kissed streets glisten under the soft, diffused light, reflecting the pastel hues of the quaint houses. Window boxes overflowing with vibrant geraniums and petunias seem to glow with renewed vibrancy. The air is alive with the gentle patter of raindrops, a soothing melody that invites introspection and contemplation. This is the moment to embrace the unexpected, to shed the constraints of itineraries and surrender to the charm of the Swiss rainscape. Let the gentle rhythm of the rain be your guide as we delve into the heart of this enchanting experience. Close your eyes and listen. The rain, a gentle percussionist, taps a delicate rhythm on rooftops and window panes. It's a lullaby of nature, hushing the world into a peaceful trance. Each drop, a tiny drumbeat, creates a symphony of serenity, a melody unique to this rain-kissed moment. The scent of wet stone and fresh earth fills the air, grounding you in the present moment. This earthy perfume, rich and evocative, mingles with the sweet fragrance of rain-washed flowers. It's a sensory experience that speaks of renewal, of nature's cleansing embrace. Breathe it in, let it wash over you, and feel the worries of the day melt away. Look around you. The world seems to shimmer under the delicate veil of rain. Buildings, usually sharply defined, now possess a soft watercolor quality. The colors of the houses, the red of geraniums, the green of window shutters, all appear more intense, more alive. It's as if the rain has washed away a layer of dust, revealing the true vibrancy beneath. This is the magic of the Swiss rainscape, the transformation of the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's a reminder to slow down, to engage your senses, and to appreciate the beauty that reveals itself in the most unexpected moments. The cobblestone streets, usually bustling with tourists and locals alike, take on a different character in the rain. They transform into shimmering rivers of silver, reflecting the sky and the surrounding buildings in a distorted, dreamlike manner. Each stone, polished by centuries of footsteps, becomes a tiny mirror, reflecting a fragment of the sky above. As you stroll through the town, your footsteps create a gentle rhythm against the wet stones, a counterpoint to the symphony of the rain. The sound echoes off the buildings, creating an intimate soundscape, isolating you in a cocoon of tranquility. The world outside fades away, and you are left alone with the rain and your thoughts. Look closely at the reflections dancing on the cobblestones. Notice how they distort the familiar, turning everyday scenes into abstract art. The world, reflected in these miniature puddles, becomes a kaleidoscope of colors and shapes, a fleeting moment of beauty captured in the heart of the rain. These reflections are a reminder of the ephemeral nature of beauty, a call to appreciate the present moment in all its fleeting glory. Don't rush, take your time, and let yourself be captivated by the magic that unfolds before your eyes. Step inside a cozy cafe, seeking refuge from the gentle downpour. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and warm pastries envelops you like a warm hug. The windows, fogged by condensation, frame the scene outside, turning the bustling square into a muted spectacle. The rain becomes a backdrop, enhancing the feeling of warmth and comfort within. Find a seat by the window and watch the world go by. Locals, unfazed by the rain, go about their day, their umbrellas blooming like colorful mushrooms on the cobblestone canvas. Their nonchalance is contagious, reminding you that rain is simply a part of life, an element to be embraced rather than endured. The cafe, with its warm lighting and the murmur of conversations, becomes a microcosm of life, a haven of human connection amidst the gentle chaos of the elements. Share a table with a stranger, strike up a conversation, and experience the renowned Swiss hospitality, even more pronounced in the shared intimacy of a rain-swept afternoon. Order a cup of hot chocolate or a steaming pot of tea. Savor each sip, letting the warmth spread through you, chasing away any lingering chill. In this moment of sheltered serenity, surrounded by the simple pleasures of life, you'll discover a profound sense of contentment, a unique gift from the Swiss rain. Observe the children, their faces alight with glee, as they splash through the puddles that have formed in the uneven cobblestone streets. Their laughter, echoing through the rain-washed air, is a symphony of pure, unadulterated joy, reminding us of the simple pleasures that life affords. These impromptu reflecting pools become magical portals, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary. Watch as children, lost in their world of make-believe, transform into intrepid explorers navigating treacherous waters or skilled captains steering their toy boats through raging storms. Their unbridled enthusiasm is contagious, reminding us to approach life with a sense of wonder and playfulness, to find joy in the unexpected, and to never lose sight of our inner child. The rain, far from dampening their spirits, has ignited their imaginations, transforming the ordinary into an adventure. So, shed your inhibitions, embrace the spirit of these little adventurers, and allow yourself a moment of childlike joy. Dip your toes into a puddle, feel the cool water against your skin, and rediscover the simple pleasure of engaging with the elements. The rain, often seen as a nuisance, becomes an unexpected gift in Switzerland. It unveils a different side to the country, a quieter, more contemplative side. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, even in the heart of a downpour. The rain washes the landscape clean, revealing the vibrant colors of the houses, the lush greenery of the mountains, and the shimmering surface of the lakes. The air, cleansed and refreshed, carries the scent of pine and damp earth, invigorating the senses. As you walk through the rain-washed streets, you'll notice details you might have missed before. The intricate carvings on a building facade, the delicate petals of a flower blooming in a window box, the play of light and shadow on the cobblestone streets. The rain invites you to slow down, to pay attention to your surroundings, and to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. It's a reminder to be present, to engage your senses, and to find joy in the simple things. The magic of a rainy day in Switzerland extends beyond the picturesque towns. Venture beyond the cobblestone streets, and you'll discover a world transformed by the rain. Hiking trails become mystical paths leading through mist-shrouded forests. Waterfalls, invigorated by the rain, thunder down mountainsides with renewed vigor. Lakes, their surfaces shimmering like polished silver, reflect the dramatic sky, creating breathtaking vistas. The air, heavy with moisture, amplifies the scent of pine needles and damp earth, creating an intoxicating aroma that speaks of nature's raw beauty. The rain transforms Switzerland into a landscape of contrasts, where the dramatic interplay of light and shadow creates a sense of mystery and awe. The world seems to hold its breath, waiting for the storm to pass, before revealing its hidden beauty in all its glory. So don't let the rain deter you from exploring. Embrace the elements and venture out into the wilds of Switzerland. You'll be rewarded with unforgettable experiences and a newfound appreciation for the raw, untamed beauty of this alpine paradise. The rain also offers a unique opportunity to experience Swiss life beyond the usual tourist trail. Duck into a local pub, the aroma of hearty stews and freshly baked bread beckoning you inside. Find a cozy corner and strike up a conversation with the locals, sharing stories and laughter over a glass of local wine or a mug of steaming coffee. Visit a museum. The quiet halls, a welcome respite from the rain outside. Lose yourself in the art, history, or culture of the region, discovering hidden gems and unexpected treasures. The rain provides the perfect ambiance for contemplation and reflection. Seek out a local market, the stalls brimming with fresh produce, regional cheeses, and handcrafted goods. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas are a feast for the senses. Engage with the vendors, their passion for their craft evident in every interaction. These experiences, often overlooked by visitors seeking sunshine and blue skies, offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Switzerland, a chance to connect with the local culture and create lasting memories. Don't let the fear of a little rain deter you from experiencing the magic of Switzerland. Pack your raincoat, pull on your boots, and embrace the elements. You'll be rewarded with a unique perspective on this enchanting country, one that reveals its quieter, more contemplative side. Remember, some of the most memorable travel experiences arise from embracing the unexpected. The rain, far from ruining your trip, might just be the element that transforms it into an unforgettable adventure. So next time you find yourself in Switzerland and the heavens open, don't despair. Instead, grab your umbrella, venture out into the rain-washed streets, and let the magic of the Swiss rainscape unfold before you. Allow yourself to be captivated by the Symphony of Drizzles, the glistening cobblestone reflections, and the joy of children splashing in puddles. You might just discover that a rainy day in Switzerland is a gift, a chance to experience this alpine paradise in a whole new light. As the rain subsides and the sun begins to peek through the clouds, the town emerges refreshed and renewed. The air, cleansed and invigorated, carries the sweet scent of wet earth and blooming flowers. A rainbow arches across the sky, a symbol of hope and the ephemeral beauty that follows a storm. Take a deep breath and savor this moment of tranquility. The rain has passed, leaving behind a sense of peace and renewal. The world seems to sparkle, every surface washed clean, every color intensified. This is the magic of Switzerland, a country where even the rain unveils a new layer of beauty, a different facet of its charm. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, in the gentle rhythm of raindrops, the shimmering reflections on cobblestone streets, and the quiet moments of contemplation in a cozy cafe. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and answer the call of the Swiss Alps. Embrace the rain, embrace the unexpected, and discover the magic that awaits you in the heart of a Swiss rainscape.